Parang ano lang. Dinilit ko yung kanina, medyo madilim kasi patay ilaw. Hey guys, I'm Jam of Jam19.ph and we're gonna play Grand Theft Auto San Andreas and I'm with Alex Rivera and Randolph Novino. Hindi ka na naririnig kasi naka-headphones ako sa Mac pero dito sa phone hindi. Alright, so I'm gonna play Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, which is my favorite game on my smartphone. Wala akong pakialam sa nararamdaman mo, Alex and Randolph. Tingnan natin if I still got it, if I still know how to play this game. And kailangan marunong kang manuntok ng mga tao at tumakas. So, hindi ako magmi-mission. Who cares about mission, alright? Wala tayong pakialam sa mission. And I got the chat head na kailangan exit. And I'm on switch. Green wood na person. Boom, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch.
Hey, you made this in my shoes.
I want to immigrate from here.
The same size when we lay down.
My destination is unknown. Hindi ko alam. Pero may star ako sa napuntahan ko.
Hey, look here, babies. Out there, if you're out there racing on the countryside, be aware the police know what's going on.
Rider.
If you're trying to get to my house, I see you when I see you.
Oo nga, mag-mission tayo tapos papatayin ko si Rider. Balik tayo.
Let's turn on some master sounds and hear how you sound. Music is spiritual, especially these days. And I love getting paid to bring these records to you. Give me a kiss. Damn.
Oh, may balas dito, okay? May fucking balas dito, so I'm gonna fuck his shit. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. You don't, oh my god, I don't give a shit. You can't kill me, you son of a bitch. Ako bida dito, tangin na mo. Oh, gago, wag ka makisama kang pulis ka. Tangin na mo, di ka kasama dito. Tangin mo. Oh, tangin na mo, binanda ka na sa video. Akala mo makakatakas ka? Ano, pulis, tatakas ka pa? Tangin na mo, binabaril mo ko. Headshot, fuck you till you fucking die, you fucking shit. Alright, so, sumakay ulit tayo, nahabol tayo. Gago ba yun? Pilitis ko nga sa binilita. Baby. O ano, takay mo, mamatot ka kung gago ka. Gagawa ka naman pala. Ina ka, ina mo, gago ka.
You wanna fight, asshole?
Takay mo, chathead yan. Kung bumarang sa daan ko, chathead ka. Mga nag-message sa akin.
Hey, shawty from the East Coast.
Ina, kasi simula ko lang ng mission. Patay. Putang ina, mission. Ayoko na, putang ina. For a trifle, let's check it. No, fuck you. End this shit. End this shit.